back to Piston Cup Talk, round the clock, where we do nothing but talk racing. Let's get to it. Starting, of course, with Lightning McQueen. With the season start just 2 weeks away, there's still no official announcement. But with number 95 coming off his worst year on record, don't shoot the messenger here, folks. I think it's safe to assume that Lightning McQueen's racing days are over. Meanwhile, Jackson Storm is looking even faster than...
As they enter the final lap, the number 6 and number 12 cars are still fighting it out for the lead. But wait, here he comes. It's the fabulous Hudson Hornet knocking at their door. What's he got up his sleeve today? And there it is! With one incredible move, he's past them. The Hornet takes a decisive lead. He's left the pack behind. His crew, Chief Smokey, is loving it. It's unbelievable! Oh no, he's in trouble! The Hudson Hornet has lost control! The Hudson Hornet has lost control! What should have been a scene of jubilation has turned tragic here today, folks, as we await news on the Hudson Hornet's condition. After such a devastating crash, we can only hope that this race today wasn't his last.
When I finally got put together, I went back expecting a big welcome. You know what they said? Your history. Moved right on to the next rookie standing in line. There was a lot left in me. I never got a chance to show.
Hey, Stickers.
Hey, Sal.